Good morning, everybody. I'm Nancy Bouffard. I am an AmeriCorps member serving at the McKinney Center in Jonesboro, Tennessee, and we are going to work on a recycled materials to make flowers. And these started out as rolls, cardboard rolls, and also as cardboard. And we are going to create petals that we assemble together with pipe cleaners. The way that I get there is by slicing the roll into a strip that's about that wide, can be a little wider. And you'll notice there's a natural curve that we're exploiting. We trim the ends to make them pointy. And we also punch holes in the center. And the way that I do that, I have a hole punch. And I do them in different directions. So sometimes I go this way, and sometimes I go this way. And to make the little centers, so we want a colored center, I just use recycled packaging that has color on it. And then we assemble with a pipe cleaner. Insert in the hole and choose an alternating hole assembly. And then we bring the pipe cleaner through. And I'm going to show you what you can also do, which is create diagonal holes so you have even more petals. So you don't have to have just two sets. You can grow it and then line up the holes. It makes a pretty cool flower. And what I like about this is it's using materials that we'd throw away anyways. And the cardboard's kind of neat because it has that curve in it already. So what I'm doing is I'm just threading through the different holes, threading this pipe cleaner through. And then I can pull it tight and just twist around here. And there you have it. It's a beautiful flower. And you can use any sort of colored cardboard you want here, or even try buttons or other materials. So play with it, have fun. Make some flowers at home. You might even have some extra paper rolls right now. Okay, enjoy everybody.